Welcome to How to Use Photogrammer, an amazing database of over 170,000 photographs taken from 1935 to 1945, all of which are in the public domain because they are owned by the government. Click here to start exploring. You can search by a variety of interfaces and you can change the maps. In this case, what we're going to do is search simply for mother for the assignment we are doing. The important thing here is not the image that you pick, but that you pick an image that speaks to you. We are, of course, going to be comparing the images you select to the most famous image of the Great Depression, Dorothea Lange's Migrant Mother. I want you to think about why that image in particular has become the iconic image of the Great Depression. As you can see, there are many, many choices and many, many other pictures. One of the things that is most interesting to think about is depictions of race in these pictures. You know from the textbook and from our class discussions that aid in the Great Depression was not dispensed evenly, and that African Americans were disproportionately hurt by the Great Depression, yet disproportionately left without aid. We've also talked about the challenges of motherhood and maternalism. Think about that as you select your picture. Why are there so many photographs of mothers and their children? What's the difference between a picture like this, which features an adult woman and an adult daughter, and that of the pictures we're most familiar with, of mothers with small children? What about this mother and how she's dressed, how this child looks in comparison to the picture of the migrant mother? If we look over here, we can see information about when the photograph was taken. Mother and daughter waiting for a streetcar in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. By whom? 1939. What does this mean? Well, these people are clean, they're well dressed, they're holding goods. She has a purse, they have money to take a streetcar. How does that compare to the situation of the woman in Migrant Mother, whose car had broken down and had to have it towed? Another way to relate the photographs is to look over here, which is fascinating. This, for example, is using the keyword of streetcars to show you the relationships. What's the difference between our iconic image of an Okie in a broken down Model T and someone taking a streetcar? I find these addicting, and I hope that you'll enjoy it as much as I did. Remember, you can share your story in any form of social media that you want. Just make sure to leave a link in the comments to the original assignment post. I'm looking forward to it.